Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Lexus certified pre-owned units. It is a 2017 IS 350 F Sport Series 3, all-wheel drive, in the red line finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low-mileage, local Calgary car. The vehicle is equipped with the factory remote starter, perfect for the winter season ahead. Other features do include LED headlamps, LED daytime running lights, F-Sport front grille, adaptive variable suspension, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, automatic high beam, windshield wiper de-icer, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, a power rear window sunshade, power windows and locks, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with the pre-collision, a 10.3-inch multimedia display with the integrated backup camera and navigation, a 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, drive mode select with the Sport Plus feature, sunroof. Take a look at the rear here. Black leather interior in next to new condition. And of course comes with the built-in Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.